Hello Team RE/MAX Northwest, Rob Penrose here, your Technology and Marketing Support Specialist, here to show you today how to export your contacts out of Microsoft Outlook. So this is relatively easy to do. The first thing you'll want is to open Microsoft Outlook. From any screen, you want to go to File in the upper left-hand corner, and then look down for the Options. Click on Options, and a new window will pop open where you'll want to go down to Advanced on the left-hand side. Once you've clicked Advanced, you want to look over to the right, possibly scroll down till you find the Export option. After you click on Export, it's going to ask you what you want to do. In this case, we want to export to a file. So we're going to export some of our Outlook data into a file, and then we're going to click Next. We're going to choose comma separated values, or CSV, which is the database type, and click Next. From here, it's very important to select the right option. You'll notice that all Outlook data is found in this section, whether it's email, contacts, or calendars, including all subfolders. I want to find the option or the area that says contacts and highlight it in blue. That will be the data we're going to export into our CSV. After I've selected contacts, I'll click on Next. At this point, I want to click on Browse and designate where on my computer I want to save my Outlook contact export. So I'm going to choose my desktop. I'm going to call it my Outlook contacts, and I always include the date. In this case, it is 10-7-19, and I'm going to say OK. You can save your database anywhere you want, and you can name it anything you want. I like to put it on the desktop so it's easy to find. After I've designated where and what to save it as, I'm going to click on Next. I'm going to select Map Custom Fields and ensure that the default map is set, which will export all of my information. At that point, I'm going to say OK and click Finish, and that will export all of my Outlook contacts and all of the data associated with them into a CSV spreadsheet onto my desktop. Once it's completed, I'll say OK. I'll minimize Outlook, and I'll find that new CSV database right there. At this point, I can open it up, and I can start cleaning up my data. So you'll see each column is labeled at the top: first name, last name, business mailing addresses. We'll find phone numbers, email, and anything else, including notes, birthdays, anniversaries. So what I recommend at this point is to go through your CSV and find certain individuals you may not want to import into booj. If they're not a client anymore, if they have moved on out of state, if it's not necessarily a client but a vendor or someone else, you can come over to the left-hand side, click the number associated next to their name, right-click, and delete them. So this is one way of many ways to export your data out of Outlook into a CSV format that we can clean up and prepare for the booj import. That will be another video for another day. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, please let us know.